Everyone, and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm going to be showing you guys a 2-ingredient recipe that will have your hair growing faster and also repair your damaged edges. If you are interested in this video, then please stay tuned. So all you're going to need for this recipe is anise seeds, or it can also be pronounced anise seeds, and you're going to need your favorite carrier oil. So I have half an ounce of anise seeds, and I'm just going to pour them into my mason jar. These seeds help significantly in developing new hair, but also if you want to grow your hair faster. At the same time, these seeds help to repair damaged edges by protecting them from splitting. So now I'm just going to add 1 1/4 cup of olive oil into the mason jar. You can use any carrier oil of your choice, and you can use more than one carrier oil as well as any essential oils that you would like. So now I'm just going to shake the mason jar up a little bit just to make sure that everything is nice and blended. And then I'm just going to place the mason jar into a pot of warm water. I have my stove set in between medium to low heat. And I'm just going to let this sit on the stove for about 3 to 4 hours. If you have a crock pot, you could do the same thing. Or also, if you don't want to do this method at all, you could go ahead and just place the mason jar into a cabinet and let it sit for about a week to 2 weeks. So this is what the oil looks like after a few hours. I just removed it from the water and I let the oil cool down, and I'm just going to run the oil through a sieve, and then I'm just going to put the oil into an applicator bottle. This oil is ideal for dyed hair, damaged hair, and also hair that has been chemically processed. If you suffer from dandruff, this oil will help to relieve your scalp because it is antiseptic. Also, it helps to balance the pH level in your scalp, and it also helps to reduce itching. So when it comes to this oil, you can use it as a scalp oil, or you can use it as a hot oil treatment, or you can also add a few tablespoons of it into your favorite deep conditioner. So when using it as a scalp oil, I would suggest using it 2 to 3 times a week, and you just want to focus it on your roots. And if you are suffering from damaged edges, also focus it on your edges as well. And then you just want to massage the oil into your scalp. So that is the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.